Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex brokers offering Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras enable Muslim traders to trade using a swap-free account. An international religious freedom report notes that approximately 1.3% of the country's population identifies as Muslim, even though the Islamic faith is only practiced by a minority. Forex brokers active in Honduras will generally make an Islamic Forex trading account available. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. Demo accounts and Islamic swap-free accounts are also available. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Demo accounts and Islamic swap-free accounts are also available with Avatrade. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides demo accounts and Islamic swap-free accounts. OctaFX provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And those are some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Honduras on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.